Lots of water coming out of chicken breasts when cooking in pan. Why? When I cook chicken breasts in a pan, a lot of water comes out of them. I've seen this answer. My chicken breasts release a lot of fluid when cooked. How do I prevent this? See link 1. Where some people suggest that this has to do with the quality of the chicken and that certain producers, supermarkets will actually pump their chickens full of water. However, what I don't understand is that I'm buying those from Whole Foods and that they are supposedly air-chilled, which someone in the above quoted answer suggests getting, so shouldn't they be high quality? Is the reality that even WF is scamming its customers by pumping chickens full of water? Is their chicken just not that high quality? If that's the case, where can you possibly get good chicken? Serious question if you know a place. I live in Cambridge, Massachusetts, US.
Liquid naturally comes out of all meats as they cook. If you're using high heat in a frying pan, you don't really notice it because it evaporates quickly. That brown stuff you see in a frying pan after cooking meat on high heat are the evaporated juices. If you're baking them at around 350 F, you'll also notice water being released. This is amplified if you overcrowd the cooking vessel. You don't see it in a whole roasted chicken or roast beef, for example, because the liquid coming out caramelizes and creates those lovely brown bits to make a sauce or gravy. I doubt that WF is selling water and phosphate tumbled chicken breasts. There is no way to completely prevent the chicken breasts from releasing water. However, you can minimize it by the way you cook. Not crowding the number of pieces in the pan is the most effective, followed by searing the meat when you first put it into the pan, then turning down the heat to complete the cooking. Searing to lock in a lot of the water will result in a cooked meat that is moister and retains more taste than one in which the water is allowed to stew itself out during cooking. Finally, cook with the lid on the pan only for 5 minutes at most. After that, cook the chicken in an open pan to encourage evaporation or water and to help prevent overcooking.